Okay, arithmetic sequences, part 3. Example 3, write the general rule for an arithmetic sequence whose fourth term is 21 and 10th term is 45. So the first thing we're going to do here, let's underline the important information. First off, I know the fourth term is 21 and the 10th term is 45, except we want to put it in math terms, meaning a sub 4 equals 21 and a sub 10 equals 45. Now, again, here we don't know the d, so we're going to leave this blank. But we don't know the d, we don't know a sub 0. But we do know n is 4 and a sub 4 is 21, meaning we can get the following equation. 21 equals, and again I'm basing it on a sub n equals a sub 0 plus dn. I can get 21 equals a sub 0 plus 4d, because I don't know my d, but I know my n. We're going to do the same thing here. If we don't know d, we don't know a sub 0, but we know n is 10, and a sub 10 is 45. Meaning we can get the equation 45 equals a sub 0 plus 10d. Now it's just a matter of solving the system. And the easiest thing to do is just to change the sign on one equation, because what I'm trying to do is really just cancel out the a sub 0s. Now, at this point, we add straight down, and we're going to get 60 equals, the a sub 0s cancel, 24, which means our d value is 4. Now we have to somehow get a sub 0. The easiest way to do this is to plug it into the original equation, or one of the originals, which is 21 equals a sub 0 plus 4 times 4, because we've determined that our d value is 4. So we get 21 equals a sub 0 plus 16, a sub 0 equals 5. So here's what we have. A sub n equals 5 plus 4n. This is a general rule. Now for the 20th term. 5 plus 4 times 20, meaning it's 85. Now you try. Write the rule for an arithmetic sequence whose second term is 36 and eighth term is 24. Take a second to pause the video, see if you can get it right on your own. So a sub 2 equals 36, and a sub 8 equals 24. And again, we can write an equation. 36 equals a sub 0 plus d times 2. We can get 24 equals a sub 0 plus d times 8. Now, really, what we're going to do is we're going to change the signs. But before we do that, let's rewrite our equations. 36 equals a sub 0 plus 2d. 24 equals a sub 0 plus 8d. To solve, remember, change one of our equations, and it doesn't matter which, as long as you change only one though. Add down, a sub 0 cancels out, we should get negative 12 equals 60, d equals negative 2. Now, to get a sub 0, plug it into one of the original equations. I'm going to choose the first one just for consistency. Again, our d value is negative 2, so I'm putting that in. 36 equals a sub 0 minus 4, which means a sub 0 equals 40. So now we can summarize. A sub n equals 40 plus, actually 40 plus negative 2n, or actually you could do a sub n equals 40 minus 2n. That's our general rule. To get the 20th term, plug it in. So I'm trying to find the 20th term here. You should get 0.